All right, and personally updated that just a little while ago this morning to try and keep you on top of that blowing snow. We really appreciate your trust you've put in our forecast over the last week or so, and we are not done with this harsh winter outbreak, not by a long stretch. We've got more to go. In fact, the coldest nights of the season so far still lie ahead. I've got weather impact alert day out for Friday to cover that. We'll get to that in just a moment. Another view here of our downtown camera shows these inner city streets. They're fine for the most part. Maybe a little bit of black ice still, but compared to what we've been seeing with Defender, boy, that's a whole lot different when you get out on our rural routes and our country here, showing you a live view. Been zigzagging and crisscrossing around Bowling Green and Wood County, I should say. You can just see how that snow, it's impossible for these crews to keep up when the winds are gusting like they are right now at about 25 to 35 miles an hour. The sunshine yesterday helped a little bit to put a little crusty layer on top of some of this snow, but it was so cold, and this snow is so easy to blow around. It was bound to happen again, and that's exactly what you're seeing again live with Defender on the edge of some of these bigger snow drifts and snow piles that the crews have pushed off on the side of the road, just getting re-enveloped right back on those roadways. Main interstates largely dry this morning. We love to compare and contrast so you know what to expect out on the roads. Winds may actually pick up over the next few hours. A few gusts closer to 40 miles an hour going to be possible today. And that, of course, makes it bitterly cold. Friday, here comes those sub-zero lows. And beyond that, I still think we do not get out of January with a temperature reading above 20 degrees. Our wind chills right now still in the teens below zero. And as far as the rest of the day goes, not only is it going to be windy, signs that a little bit of snow's coming in for tonight. Could pick up another ½ inch of snowfall before midnight tonight. Just cold Wednesday, Thursday. Bottom drops out by Friday morning. Saturday morning looking cold as well. Sub-zero lows. It's not about the wind on those days, but actual air temperature. Means if you got the car parked outside and the battery's already struggling, you'll want to get that checked out before we reach the end of this week, or you're going to be in big trouble probably trying to turn that car on. That's the latest on our 10-day forecast.